Ooh. I look cute. Okay. Hey guys, what is up? I'm Milan and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't filmed in such a long time, you guys, but that is because I kind of took a break from YouTube because it was just so frustrating and it was just such a big thing to like have to edit and film along with uni and having a job and doing Instagram videos. But I am back today with an unboxing video. So if you follow me on my socials, Instagram and Twitter, then you will already know that I did in fact make it into the NYX Professional Makeup Top 20 Face Awards. I'm beyond excited for this opportunity. This is my first time ever entering and I'm so excited that I got through to the top 20. When you get through to the top 20, they do send you out sort of like a care package of their products so that for the next challenge you can use just all of their products. So I'm super excited to unbox the care package today with you guys to come along and see all the goodies that I got. So yeah, if you want to see everything I got, then just keep on watching. I just wanted to say a huge congratulations. Oh my god. So I just want to say a huge congratulations to all the people that got through into the top 20. I also want to say a huge congratulations to all of you that didn't. It is such an intense thing to like put yourself out there into such a big competition, so proud of all of you who did enter but unfortunately didn't get through. There's always next year, so you do have the opportunity to enter next year. I don't know how the audio is going to be in this because I don't have a microphone, I'm literally just using my camera. And my laptop is making some loud noises, so I don't know how the audio is going to be. Hopefully it'll be okay, but yeah. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I have the box here. It is this huge, sort of like it's wrapped like a present. How cute is that? So yeah, let's see what's inside. So on the very top of the box is this little poster that I'm trying so hard not to crease, just in case I want to frame it one day. But it basically just gives me the instructions for the next challenge, and it also reveals the theme for the challenge. So it says, "You've made it through to the top 20. We're blown away with your entry look and we're so thrilled to have you as part of our UK and Ireland Face Awards top 20. The theme for the next round is..." drum roll in the background. Proud Soul. So if you don't already know, June is the LGBTQ plus Pride Month, so this is the perfect theme to go along with this month. So I'm super excited for this theme. I already have my idea set. I'm actually filming it tomorrow, which is super exciting. I really hope that it just goes all according to plan. So I have everything sorted out, just no spoilers for you guys. So this year the NYX Professional Makeup Face Awards is being sponsored by Superdrug, so there are just a few items of Superdrug's own brand. So I'll go through those quickly first. So from Superdrug we have the latex-free blending sponge. I also got a foldable cleaning mat, which is actually really helpful because the one I already have is not very good and it's just, I've been wanting a new one for a while now. So that is actually really handy. It has like 3 levels. That's really cool. Definitely going to be using that. So then we have just a plain eyelash curler. And then finally from Superdrug's own brand is a makeup brush cleaner. So now to go into the actual NYX Professional Makeup products, which I'm super excited about. So first off we have a blending sponge, which is a really interesting shape. Like, it's really flat on the back and then it has all these different contours. So that can be really good for like very fine, precise blending. So that's really cool. So something else that I've really excited to try and haven't ever used are the NYX Professional Makeup brushes. I got a whole bunch of different ones here and I love brushes. You can never get enough brushes. So definitely excited to try these out in my next look. So then I got a few different spray bottles. So first off is the First Base Primer Spray. So that's a primer spray, as it says. Then is the On The Spot Makeup Brush Spray Cleaner, so just another quick makeup brush cleaner. Don't know why I'm explaining things when they're already self-explanatory, but here we go. And then we have a matte finish setting spray. I actually got really excited for these two products because I've never tried them before and it is something that I always consistently run out of. So that is the NYX Professional Makeup and Micellar Water, and that's actually really cute packaging. I don't know why I love that so much, it's just so... I don't know, it's just interesting to me. But yeah, so I got some micellar water and then I also got a cleansing milk, and I've never tried a cleansing milk before, so that's going to be really interesting. I might even try to take this mug off later. So one of the things that I've said this about literally everything so far, but one of the things I was most excited for, that I was literally just praying I would get, and the gods have answered. So the thing that I was most excited for is the SFX Cream Colours. So I got a lot here. I think I got nearly all the shades. I don't know if this is all of them, but I'll basically go in whatever order I have. So I got black, silver, white, and sort of like a purpley blue. And then I got a gold, an olivey green, a yellow, and a red. So pretty much all the primary colours and then some. So that is perfect and it will definitely come in handy for my next look. And then sort of to go along with those is the SFX Setting Loose Powder, which I've heard is actually really good for setting the cream colours. So then I got a few sort of like miscellaneous bits and bobs. So first off, I got two of the NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencils, and that is in the shade Milk and Black Bean. I remember when everyone used to rave about these, and I never had one, so I'm really excited to see what these are actually like. Then I also got the Worth the Hype Mascara and the Eyebrow Gel Control Freak. I then also got the eye base, like an eyeshadow cream base in just white. And then I got a Olive Pro Foundation Mixer, which is really good for my professional kit. So then moving on, I got two primers. I got the Hydra Touch Primer and the Pore Filler Primer. I don't think I've ever tried either of them, so definitely excited for those. I haven't actually tried that much makeup from NYX Professional Makeup. I have a few lip liners and lipsticks and eyebrow pencils, but that's about it really. I haven't tried all of their products before, so this is a really exciting sort of opportunity for me. So I did get a few sets of lashes. I got these pretty wispy, like everyday sort of lashes, but then to make up for it, I got these really dramatic lashes. Like, I don't even know if you can see that, but that is thick. And then I got some individual lashes, just in case we want to make them even thicker. I then just got some basic eyeliners. So I got a Felt Tip Epic Ink liner pen. That is really handy. And then I got a white liquid liner and a black liquid liner. So one thing I'm so shocked at is I got so many of the Vivid Bright liquid liners. I've never tried these before. This isn't even all of them. I got more in the box, but I just got so many of them and I'm so excited for them. I've seen pictures of them and they look so pigmented, so I'm definitely excited to see what I can create with them. So I did get them in the shades Vivid Escape, Vivid Delight, Vivid Petal, Vivid Blossom and Vivid Sapphire. I then also got Vivid Violet, Vivid Envy, Vivid Halo and Vivid Fire. So a whole bunch of different colours here. So moving on, I got so many of the micro brow pencils. I did get the shades Espresso, Chocolate, Blonde, Brunette, Taupe and Black. So then moving on to lips, I got a bunch of their new glitter goals. I don't know if these are new, but I haven't really seen them before. But I did get the shade Shimmy, Crystal Crush, Oil Spill, Cherry Quartz and X Infinity. They do look super cute. I'm trying to find out how I can like show these. They do look really cute and really pigmented, and they're really fun looking colours, so I'm definitely excited for those. Just a few like miscellaneous lip bits. I did get a lip primer, which is very interesting because it kind of looks like a pencil. I then got a lip oil, interesting, and a lip, what is this? A lip lingerie glitter palette. I'm not really sure what that is because it looks like a lip gloss to me, so I think it's like a holographic lip gloss. Oh, and I did get another lip gloss, which is a duochromatic shimmer lip gloss. Ooh, we are getting through it. It is so hot under these lights. Girl. So keeping on the track of lips, I got a whole bunch of these suede matte lipsticks. So I did get two nudes, two pinks, a blue and a really nice red. I then got the Pigment Primer and Glitter Primer. I haven't tried these before, but I think everyone has heard of NYX Professional Makeup's Glitter Primer. I think it's meant to be like the best glitter primer, so I'm definitely excited to use that. I've never tried it before. And obviously to go with these, I can't even pick them up. There is a bunch of loose glitters and cream glitters in here. So I got a few of their Foil Play Cream pigments, which are really interesting, and I'm definitely excited to see how they sort of act. I've never tried these before, so definitely excited for that. And then I think I got about 11 of the glitter, like loose glitter face and body glitters. And then finally from this box is the Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette. I have actually run out of my cream contour at the moment, so I'm definitely excited to try out all of these bronzy colours. So in mystery box number 1, I got so many of the shades of the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Oh my god. And in mystery box number 2, oh okay, I got some palettes. So I got the Ultimate Brights Shadow Palette, which I'm really excited to try. I've heard so many things about this. So then to match that, I got the Off Tropic palette. That is really cute, they're really bright. Then I've got the Ultimate Edit, which is another very bright palette. This is like a mini palette, so cute for like on the go. Then I got the Glitter Goals Cream Glitter Palette in the shade Galactica, which is super cute. And then of course I have to top it off with some shimmer, some nice highlight. So I got the Born to Glow highlighting palette, so definitely excited to play with that. And that is it for the unboxing of the care package. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It is my first unboxing, so please don't roast me. So I'm so excited. Tomorrow I'm filming the first challenge look, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'll definitely have like little updates with you on Instagram and Twitter, so definitely follow me on those, which I'll put right there. And yeah, that is it. I just want to say a huge thank you to the NYX Professional Makeup team for picking me to go into the top 20. It honestly means so much. This was my first time applying and I did not think I would get through, so it's so nice to like get into this. I'm all ready for the competition. And yeah, and I also want to say a huge thank you to my supporters and for showing me all the love, all the support and the attention. But thank you so much for that. It honestly means so much, and it's so sweet to see you guys recreating the looks already. Oh my god, it's just so amazing. But thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, I will see you in the next look. So have an amazing day and I'll see you later. Bye!